Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Hey, so how is everyone doing? I hope y'all are having a great day and I hope you have a great week. If you're new here, my name is Debbie. Everybody calls me Cajun. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit the subscribe and like button. Now that that's out the way, I have a PR package from Paint Some Way. Paint Some Way was kind enough to send me a package to unbox for y'all. And yeah, so we're gonna get to it, okay? So let me see. You know, I took it out the package because I felt it was one long big diamond painting. Yeah. So I took it out the like big package. Oh, I'm sorry for the noise, y'all. I hate that noise. Okay, so first of all, the canvas is soft. It is a 40 by 50 centimeter. This diamond painting comes with a diamond painting toolkit. Obviously, it's a square, which I don't normally order at all. not in the budget friendly ones. So it comes with a boat, a plate of wax, a diamond painting pen, and a pair of tweezers. Tweezers are to use to pick up your diamonds, your diamonds if you choose. Good. Oh, it's not a square. Okay, I'm wrong. It's not a square. It is a round. Yes, because I don't like to order square in budget friendly diamond paintings. I don't know. I'm just weird like that. So it comes with it is a round drill, and the drills come in these plastic baggies. Look at all these colors. Let me show the colors before I even get to the diamond painting. Look at all these. Look the ABs in this thing. Look how many. There are 1, 2, 3 from what I can see. There's just multiple packages of a color. So yeah, look at all those colors. Ooh, those so pretty. Yeah, those are so pretty, y'all. I don't know where to hold this because I don't want to cover my face. Okay, so those are the drills, and I'm going to show you the diamond painting. Oh, y'all, it's cute. Okay, so this is a 50 by 40 centimeter. It has 35 colors, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of pixelated, I find, right here especially, but it's still pretty. I still like it. I'm going to show y'all the thumbnail. This is what it should look like. Look how pretty that is. Y'all, look, the drill field is clear. As you can see, y'all can clearly see the numbers and stuff. I'm sorry about the glare, y'all. But it is pixelated here and here. As you can see, it's kind of pixelated. But I think after you lay down the drills, I think it's going to be fine. It's really pretty. Look at that rainbow. That is so cute. The canvas is soft. As y'all can see, it's really soft. They also have a legend on the left bottom. And they do have the DMC codes as well. The drill field is clear. I'm just not a fan of the pixelation right here. But I think it'll work itself out. A legend here as well. But it's still pretty. Look how pretty it is. Like I said, I think it'll work itself out. And this is a 40 by 50 centimeter. 40 by 50. And it's called it's called Rainbow with House. I don't know if it's actually called that, but it's Rainbow something. And it was $11.99 on their website. Now, I'm gonna link this diamond painting and their website in the description portion of this video, so you guys can go check them out. Paint Some Way has a lot of they have diamond paintings, they have diamond painting pins, they have wax, they have other crafts. So y'all go check them out. I will put the link in the description portion of this video. But before I do that, I want to show y'all the sticking. All of their diamond paintings, or the stick is always good. I never have problems with those at all. And you know, when I work on one, I never usually have problems with them at all. And yes, I have worked on some. I don't show all of what I work on. I don't complete all of them, that's why. But I did work on some. But yeah, so I probably, this one's a kind of large one, so this is not in my lineup as for right now, as for working on this, because I have so many I need to work on. I'm trying to get all my whips out the way first, and then I want to start on the smaller diamond paintings. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you have not already. I will, like I said, I'll link everything in the description portion of this video. And thank y'all for watching. Bye.